Welcome to the Business Eminence Awards organized by Dharitri and Odisha Post. The Odisha Post and Dharitri organized Business Eminence Awards, which saw a huge turnout Saturday at Hotel Swasthya Premium. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik and Union Minister of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Steel Shri Dharmendra Pradhan graced the occasion as guest. Also present on the occasion was Vishal Dev, Principal Secretary of the Department of Tourism, Sports and Youth Affairs. Addressing the gathering virtually, the Chief Minister highlighted the progress Odisha has made in the last 1 year in spite of the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic.
The last few years has taken massive strides in business and industry. An enabling industrial policy supported by a dedicated team Odisha has brought about massive progress in the industrial ecosystem of the state. We continue to be a top investment destination even during the pandemic period. Our record in grounding of investments is also quite encouraging. Recent data on various business parameters also indicate a revival in economy.
Around 2000, Odisha had the image of being a poor and a backward state. And over the last 2 years, last 2 decades, we have now come to be recognized as a model state for good governance in the country. We are the leading state in several sectors, whether it is disaster management or poverty reduction, rural housing, urban housing, rural roads, sports and youth services, and now tourism is also looking up in a big way. We are the only state who have actually doubled our farmers' incomes.
Speaking at the event, the Union Minister stressed that creating wealth is the need of the hour. Wealth creation and strengthening of the lower middle class is the need of the hour. The demand of raw materials is going to rise in Odisha. We need to work more on value addition of raw materials, he said.
आम राज्य भारतर 16% मेटाल उत्पादन करुछ। आगामी दिन में संख्या बढ़िबो रॉ मेटाल, रॉ स्टील, रॉ एल्युमिनियम, रॉ फेरोक्रम आम एठू तैयारी करूछंती। किंतु याको जदि आउ गुटे दृष्टि रे जोड़ा जाए, आउ गुटे दृष्टि सूक्ष्म रे देखा जाए, 1% जमा वैल्यू एडिशन होछि। 16% रॉ मेटाल, वैल्यू एडिशन 1%। ता माने एठिकार स्टील महाराष्ट्र, सेठी ऑटोमोबाइल, एठिकार एल्युमिनियम गुड़गांव, फरीदाबाद, एल्युमिनियम स्ट्रक्चर सेठू बिक्री है कि पुणी ईस्टर्न इंडिया मार्केट को आम राज्य रे यारो गोटे मिसमैच अछि। बंधुगण या भितरे सूत्र अछि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप रो, या भितरे सूत्र अछि न्यू मिडिल क्लास रो, याको हमको ध्यान देबा पय पड़िबो।
The editor of Dharitri and Odisha Post, Shri Tathagat Satpathy, said that even though COVID-19 posed a great threat, it did teach everyone important lessons.
Business Eminence Award is not a function only limited to Bhubaneswar. It is encompassing the whole state of Odisha. There are many others, I am sure, but we have handpicked a few people whom we wish to bestow the awards on in the first year, with the aim, with the thought in mind that these have been very difficult times, and the recent past, the recent history of the world, not only of Odisha or not only of one particular area, the whole global history, humanity has seen very terrible times during COVID times. There are some people who fought the odds, who fought the predicaments, and have come up in such a manner that not only have they imbibed self-confidence in themselves, and they have also, I would say, they have also managed to carry others, their associates, their employees, into a new world.
Business Eminence Award has been started to honor entrepreneurs and business leaders of Orissa who have done very well here during the pandemic, post-pandemic also, to give a boost to business and economy in the state. While the pandemic situation was tough globally for all businesses, for economy, they have tried to retain their staff, they have tried to push through, they have tried to maintain a positive attitude in the state, which has helped also to create a boost for the state in terms of business and economy. So we are honoring them today.
Some of the top industrialists and entrepreneurs were felicitated during the award function. Here is what they said about the Business Eminence Awards organized by Dharitri and Orissa Post. Let's have a look on it.
We have been also organizing such events since 1985, but now the scale of organization of this type of events has been changed, and we see a lot of glamour in it. And I hope Orissa Post and Dharitri will continue this type of events in future.
Awards and recognition like this definitely boost the morale of entrepreneurs and allow them to do good work. I take this opportunity once again to thank Tathagat Babu in particular for creating this innovative platform.
I want to thank Dharitri, Orissa Post for acknowledging our efforts. It's a long way, and I'm sure it will encourage younger generation to take a step forward in doing something different.
Pandemic has definitely impacted the tourism industry, but we are hopeful that we will soon come out of the pandemic situation if the second wave of coronavirus doesn't affect us. I think it's a very good step taken by Dharitri and Orissa Post.
Great initiative by Dharitri and Orissa Post Group. It's really great that motivating the entrepreneurs of Orissa. It's really good thing.
I will now speak about electric vehicles. The demand for electric vehicles has grown double, and it will further grow in multiples.
इकोनॉमी आता है एक बिजनेसमैन से, तो कहीं ना कहीं जो एक अप्रिसिएशन दिया जा रहा है बिजनेसमैन को, जो बेहतर काम कर रहे हैं अपने अपने फील्ड में, उनके लिए जो दिया जा रहा है, निश्चित रूप से ये केवल एक अवार्ड नहीं है, बल्कि राज्य में एक बड़ा परिवर्तन करने का सोर्स है उसकी इनिशिएटिव.
दिस इज़ द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एनी एंटरप्रेन्योर टू either take a new step or continue in the path that he is already on. So steel is a booming industry for Orissa, aluminum is a big industry for Orissa.
Such kind of initiative is most welcome, and this is one of its kind initiative taken. Must thank both Orissa Post and Dharitri for taking this initiative, and once again congratulating all the awardees.
It is certainly going to empower a lot of entrepreneurs and also give them a lot of confidence to keep doing the difficult work that is the nation building. So I wish Dharitri and Orissa Post the best of luck for the same.
I'm sure it's a great motivational factor for everyone, and I believe that it is going to become a very big event in the coming years.
Orissa is a growing and a promising market, so we are on the growth phase, and like rightly mentioned by Tathagat sir and also our Honorable Minister Dharmendra Pradhan ji, that we are on the growth path, and now is the time to grow. Opportunities are there plenty over here.
It's a very good platform to meet people from your state who are doing really very good, and I would like to compliment Dharitri and Orissa Post once again for this award.
I am extremely delighted to receive this Business Eminence Award from Dharitri. It's an honor, and I am very thankful to the Dharitri group.
I would like to thank Mr. Satpathy for inviting us, and my entire team, my parents, my wife. I think I should thank Dharitri Group for this award.
I am sure in future more people encourage Have to get this award, and because of their hard work in future to achieve the award, it is good for the economy also.
It's a very great future. Every year it should be organized, and it should not be like just this year.
An entrepreneur, when he starts a business or a venture, he thinks about many families. So this kind of platform, first of all, it has given a recognition to the existing entrepreneurs, and for the forthcoming entrepreneurs who are good students, they will think that job is not the only alternative, entrepreneurship is also there. This kind of a recognition is there.
The way Dharitri and Odisha Post has organized, this is extremely welcome, and I wish they will continue to do every year.
These kind of recognition, these kind of awards will not only encourage us, but it will also encourage other entrepreneurs or young entrepreneurs who are striving to do business in the state.
This gives a very positivity to the people, and of course this will bring a lot of positivity in the market for people to get back to normalcy.
I think it's a great effort that you are recognizing entrepreneurs who are creating the wealth in the state and giving jobs, and it also inspires the youngsters to come and do business here, because Odisha is a land of opportunity, and I would request more and more youngsters to come and do their own business.
Thank you, Odisha Post and Dharitri, for giving me this opportunity and this award. And this is the first award I am getting in my life.
Come here and made their careers like me. It is really a motivation that these business awards have given me. I think I can carry the good word in future as well. And Odisha Post, congratulations to them for honouring businessmen from the state.
So this was all about the Business Eminence Awards organized by Dharitri and Odisha Post at Swasti Premium on 20th March 2021. Hope you liked the episode. To stay connected with us, do not forget to subscribe to Odisha Post Live. This is Lopita signing off.